Alright, got a new used truck, 2004 Chevy Avalanche. I mean, it's pretty clean. I just need a new steering wheel or cover, new badge panels, everything. The interior's A1. Some little pieces to fix up. It didn't come with the radio, so I took the one out of my Blazer, put it in here, add on right now. All the pieces, the install kit, the radio harness, the harness for the car cost me 85 bucks. Right now, got everything connected. Got this plugged up. Got that plugged up. I mean, it's pretty simple. This pulls off easy. I just took everything out so I can have some extra room. Now I'm about to connect the speaker wire and see how it sounds with the factory speakers in here. I got these yesterday. American Bass 6.5. They just came out yesterday. That was the first one for my dealer to buy them from the store. Then I'm gonna bring my Neos over, put them in here, put them in the front, put those in the back. But let's see. Check off. Everything is all set. Black one. Do speaker wires. See how it sounds.
My city, motherfucking land, get it straight. Boy, you all get straight. Bitch up on the motherfucking land of the apes. Get the fuck out my face, bitch. Everywhere I go, putting on.
That's just the fact the Bose system here. It sounds pretty nice. Let me continue.
Bitches can't trust these bitches. These bitches tripping. In it, my niggas in it. We all head up. Yeah, my niggas chillin'. My niggas when they don't get hit up. My niggas chillin'. My kids itching. Bitches can't trust these bitches. These bitches tripping. In it.
Sound pretty goddamn good with those. I might leave them in there for a minute and just say those for a house project or something. But got it somewhat neat for right now. I got to feed this through. We're gonna get that down around here. So I'm gonna do that real quick and come back.
Tony got hit with that fire, nigga. He came back to life, but he practically died, nigga. Rob Fella. Jozo got hit with that fire, nigga. Them bullets hit his body, he actually died, nigga. Lock Fella. Car full of drillers, we taking trips. TLT Nutty, I still love.
Right, there I go. Got that completed. Even though I broke the wrong pieces off. So I go up there, get another bracket. But that's pretty much it. Everything's back to normal. Got any questions? Just hit me up.